Lifestyle changes to reduce stress could be even really simple things like just simply going for a walk more often. And one of my favorite ways to actually reduce stress is to go for a walk while I'm on a cell phone call with a friend. Because then what you're doing is it's a triple whammy of stress relief. You're getting exercise through the walk, you're being outside, so you're connecting with nature, and you're engaging with social support through being on the phone with a friend. So that's a really quick and easy way to reduce stress. Another thing that you can do is even just to get some plants in your house or, connect with nature by starting a little garden or something like that. Cooking meals in your home can help to reduce stress. Volunteering can be an incredible way to reduce stress. Even meditation or programming, say, your smart home device that every evening, say at 8 o'clock or something, it will just put on relaxing music for you automatically when you can start programming your environment to start to become more relaxing and stress reducing. There are so many ways to reduce stress, but those are a few of my favorites.